Hi there. It is Thursday and this is a math day for us, for our children, for our students. Fear, hi, how are you? Let me share my screen. Hi, Mr. Sahib. I am fine today. Thank you for asking. How about you? What about you? How are you feeling today? Today's topic exam, there are 19 topics and we are at the 7th one. Each week we are solving one topic. Let's get started. Hi, Mr. Tunjai. I am fine. I see that you have changed your Gmail name, right? Hi, Mr. Shahin. How are you? Mr. Sahib says first one is A. Let's have a look. What's the value of y? If x is equal to 49, let's write equation. The square root of 49 plus 9 is equal to, this is 7, right? 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Okay, this is A. Mr. Shahin and Mr. Sahib, you are right. Second question. No, that's another account. Okay, Mr. Tunjai, I got you. Mr. Sahib says second one is B. The given equation relates the positive numbers p, x, and y. Which equation correctly expresses y in terms of p and x? Y is equal to p times x. If it is minus at the left side of equation, it should be plus, right? At the right of equation. This is B. Mr. Sahib, you were right. This is B. Next question. Third, A. Mr. Sahib said it is A. Let's have a look. P is equal to 42 times C times F. And we are asked to find the C in terms of the others. We should divide it by 42 times F, both sides of equation. Equal to P divided by 42 times F. So this is A. Mr. Sahib, you are right. A graph question. Solution. We are asked to find the solution to this system. Mr. Saib says 4 is B and Mr. Shine says 4 is C. Mr. Saib, the solution means this point, intersection point, okay? This point x value is 4 and the y value of this point is, so the solution should be C. Mr. Shahin, you were right. Fifth question. This is also graph question. What's the solution to this system of two equations? Mr. Shahin says 5 is C. Let's have a look. If we are looking for the solution, we should see the intersection point of graphs, okay? The x coordinate of this point is 1 and the y coordinate of this point is 5. So C is correct choice. Mr. Shahin, you are right. The given equation. Mr. Shahin says 15. Yes, one possible solution. Let's solve. This equation has two. One is x minus 5 is equal to 10 and the other solution is x minus 5 is equal to negative 10. Okay, x is equal to 15, x is equal to negative 5. This is correct. This is also correct. Okay? But we are asked just one possible solution. Okay, you were right, Mr. Shai. What's the positive solution to the given equation? Mr. Shayan says it is D. Let's have a look. K squared minus 53 is equal to 91. We can add 53 both sides of the equation, right? K squared is equal to 4 and 14. And K, we can take the square root of both sides of the equation. K is equal to positive and negative 12, but we are asked to find positive solutions, so the answer is D. Mr. Shahin, you are right. Next question. Mr. Shahin says it is C. Let's have a look. Correctly expresses the C in terms of others. So let's add 7 both sides of the equation. And these are cancelled out. C is equal to this one. So it is A. Mr. Shahin, did you understand what happened here? This is A. Okay. Next question. Okay. Mr. Shine says it is D. Let's have a look. What's the solution? So we should look the intersection point of the graphs. This is not D actually. You see that the intersection point is not -3, -4. This x coordinate of this point is something is bigger than -3, -4, sorry, is bigger than -4 and greater than -3. Okay. X is negative, Mr. Shahin, negative. And the y value of this point is between 4 and 5. Let's have a look. This is not negative. It should be, x should be negative, y should be positive. Okay, this is C. Mr. Shahin, did you understand? The x coordinate of the intersection point should be between -4 and -3, and the y coordinate of this intersection point should be between 4 and 5. Y is positive, x is negative. Okay. Next question. What's the solution to the given equation? Okay, teacher, I understood. Mr. Shahan says, okay. It is D. Let's have a look. What's the solution? We should multiply both sides of the equation by 25. Okay, these are cancelled out. X squared is equal to 36 times 25. Let's take the square root of both sides of the equation. X is equal to 6 times 5, and that is 30. Mr. Shahin, that is 30. Okay. Next question. The greatest favor you can do for our channel, please like this video, share with the others, and if you haven't, hit the subscribe button. Next question. Mr. Shahin says it is D. Let's have a look. What's the solution? So the solution point is x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 5. Okay, you are right, Mr. Shahin. 100%. Right. The graphs of the given equations in the xy plane intersect at the point x and y. What's the possible value of x? look. Y is equal to 76. X squared minus 1 is equal to 76. Let's add 5 to the both sides of equation. X squared is equal to 81. Let's take the square root of both of the equation. X is equal to positive and negative 9. Okay, so the B choice is correct. Okay, Shahin. Intersection point means these are same. Mr. Sahip, no, this is not A. Kəsişmə nöqtəsini soruşur, əzizlərim. Deyir ki, kəsişmə nöqtəsi nədir? Baxın, y bərabər 76 belə bir şeydir. X kvadratı minus 5 də belə bir şeydir, düzdürmü? Bu nöqtələri axtarıq. O zaman y-ləri bərabərləşdirməliyik. Yəni, bu y ilə bu 76 bərabərləşdirib x-i tapırıq, müsbət mənfi 9. Demək ki, bura 9-dur, bura mənfi 9-dur, bu nöqtədə. Okay, let's continue with the 13th question. Which equation correctly expresses P in terms of others? Mrs. 5 says it is B. Let's have a look. P plus 34 is equal to 3 plus R. We should subtract 34 both sides of the equation, and P is equal to 3 plus R minus 34. This is B. Mr. Sahib, you are right. Which of here x and y is a solution to the given system of equations? Mr. Shine says B. Yes, Mr. Shine, you were right. Mr. Saif says it is A. And let's have a look. X plus 7 is equal to 10. Let's subtract 7 from the both sides of the equation. X is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, let's write here 3 plus 7 squared is equal to 10 squared is equal to 100. Yes, x is 3, y is 100. So it is A. Mr. Shan and Sahib, you are right. What is one possible solution to the given equation? Mr. Shah says 11. Let's have a look. These equations has two solutions. First is x minus 2 is equal to 9 and x minus 2 is equal to negative 9, right? Let's add 2 to the both sides of the equation. X is equal to 11. And let's add 2 to the both sides of the equation here. X is equal to negative 7. Okay? It is either 11 or negative 7. Mr. Shahin, not negative 11, positive 11, okay? Yani x'in yerine burada 11 koyanda da x'in çıxanda 9 modulu 9 ödəyir. Mənfi 7 koyanda da mənfi 9 modulu 9 ödəyir. Next question. Mr. Sarf says it is D, and Mr. Sharan says it is A. Let's see who is correct. Which equation correctly expresses J in terms of others? is equal to k plus 15m, we should divide it by 8 both sides of the equation, right? In order to get the j value. K plus 15m divided by 8. This is D. Mr. Sahib, you are right. Did you understand, Shaheen, why this is D? We should divide it by both sides of the equation, 8, okay? 8. If it was this like this, it would be correct, but it is not correct, okay? Next question. What's the positive solution to the given equation? Positive solution we are looking for. Okay, you understood, Shaheen. I got you. Mr. Shaheen says it is A. Mr. Shaheen says it is A. Let's have a look. X plus 45 is equal to 48 and x plus 45 is equal to negative 48. Let's subtract 45 from the both sides of the equations. X is equal to 3 and here x is equal to negative 93, right? But we are asked to find positive solution, so we should take 3. You were right, guys. Mr. Sahib says it is D. What about Shaheen? What are you thinking about this question? The graphs of the equations in the given system of equations intersect at point x and y. What's the value of y? If x is equal to 8, we should write here y is equal to 8 squared plus 8, and this is 64 plus 8, and that is equal to 72, right? This is D. Mr. Shah and Mr. Sahib, you are right. The graph of a system of a linear equation and a nonlinear equation is shown. What's the solution to this system? Mr. Sahib says it is C. What about Shaheen? And Mr. Shaheen says it is V. It is C. Okay. The solution means intersection point on the graphs. X coordinate of this point is 2 and y coordinate of this point is 4. The correct option is C. 20. What is a positive solution to the given equation? And Mrs. Shaheen and Saib says, Mr. Saib says it is C, Mr. Shaheen says it is A. Let's have a look. If the product is 0, this should be 0, or this should be 0, or this should be 0, right? Let's subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. X is equal to negative 2. Here, let's add 5 to the both sides of the equation. X is equal to 5. And let's subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. X is equal to negative 9. But we are asked to find positive solution, right? positive? No. Positive? No. This is positive. It is C. Mr. Şahin, did you understand? Əgər hasil sıfırdırsa, vuruqlardan heç olmasa biri sıfırdır deyirik. Bunları bir sıfıra bərabər eləyib x-in müsbət dəyərini alırıq. Okay? Guys, you are on the education channel. Please don't watch this video as in the picture, shown in the picture. Take your pen, take your paper, calculate with us. Let's continue. Sahib says 22. We can take the square root of both sides of equation, right? X squared is equal to 22 square. Square takes root, x is equal to square takes root 22. Positive solution 22. Okay. If we were asked to find a negative solution, it would be negative 22. Okay, but this is positive. Mr. Şahin, you were right. Which value is a solution to the given equation? Mr. Saif says it is B. Mr. Şahin says it is B. Let's have a look. P plus 61 is equal to 64. Let's subtract 61 from both sides of the equation. Module P is equal to 4 and P is 4 or P is negative 4. But in the answers, we see that there is just 4, positive 4. You were right, guys. Which equation correctly expresses S in terms of order? We should find S. Mr. Saif says it is D. Mr. Şahin says it is A. Şahin, let's have a look. Is equal to 7S plus T. We are looking for S, okay, S. So we should subtract T from both sides of equation. 7S is equal to 6R minus T. And we should divide it by 7 both sides of the equation in order to get S. 6R minus T over 7. Okay, this is D, guys. Mr. Şahin, did you understand? S-i tək qoymağımızı istəyir. S nəyə bərabərdir bu tənlikdən deyil. Hər iki tərəfdən T çıxırıq, hər iki tərəfi də 7-yə bölürük. T-ni çıxıb 7-yə böləndə bu alınır burada. Yaxşı. Hər iki tərəfə eləyirik. Vuranda da, böləndə də, toplayanda çıxanda da hər iki tərəf. Next question. Which equation correctly gives M in terms of N and P? Mrs. Saib says it is A. Let's wait for Şahin. Mr. Şahin says it is A. So we should divide it by 7 both sides of equation and M is equal to this one. Okay, yani it is A. Next question. Mr. Saib says it is B. Which equation correctly expresses Q? Q minus 29 R is equal to S. And we are looking for Q. Mr. Şahin says it is C. Şahin, başıva dönüm, qadava alım. Qını axtarırıq biz, qını. Yəni bu mənfi 29 r-ni bu tərəfə atanda nə olur? Plus 29 r olur, düzdürmü? This is B. Solda mənfi olan Şahin bəy, sağda nə olurdu? Müsbət olurdu. Next question. Okay, Mr. Şahin. A solution to the given system of equations is x and y. What's the value of x times y? Mr. Şahin says it is a. If x is equal to 3, let's start here. Y is equal to 12 square, and that is 400. That is 144. And we are asked to find x times y. 3 times 144 is 2, 3, 4. This is A. Next question. Oh, Fear, hello. Dərsin başında bir gəldiniz, salam yazdınız, indi də hello yazmışsınız. Here. Son sualdır deyəsən bu. Let me have a look. Evet, son sual. Fear says it is B. What's the solution? Solution means intersection point, right? Intersection point. The x coordinate of this point is -2. Y coordinate of this point is 6. And this is B. Okay. Now we finished nonlinear equations in one variable and systems of equations in two variables. Easy equations, which College Board published. Okay. Next week we are going to solve equivalent expressions. Okay. If there is not an equation, I am going to end this stream, leave lesson. Is there an equation? Ha, Turan bəy. İnşallah yaxşı olar nəticəniz. Gözləyəcəyik, şad xəbərlərinizi gözləyəcəyik. Saat neçədə çıxır onu deyiblər ya elə deyirlər səhər 9-dan axşam 9-a qədər oturun, baxın. By teacher. Şahin bəy, by elə yazılmır. B-Y-E elə yazır. O by tərəfindən deməkdir. By teacher müəllim tərəfindən deməkdir sizin yazdığınız. By demək istəyirsinizsə B-Y-E yazmalısınız. Xeyrə qarşı Şahin bəy, xeyrə qarşı. Yuxunuz şirin olsun. Gün orta çıxacaq ballar. Tamam. İnşallah yaxşı olar. Bye Mr. Sahib. You were great this evening. You were great. Hə, Şahin bəy. İncəsində belə incəliklər var. Tamam. Özünüzə yaxşı baxın. Gecəniz xeyrə qalsın. İnşallah.